Auto trends welcome to start. The 2026 BMW 5 Series M package arrives with a presence that immediately tells you this is not just another executive sedan. It's a statement of intent, a perfect balance between luxury and athleticism, designed for drivers who want comfort without sacrificing excitement. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the M package transforms the already elegant 5 Series into something far more aggressive, more confident, and undeniably more BMW. The exterior design of the 2026 BMW 5 Series M package is where the transformation truly begins. BMW's designers have sharpened every line, giving the car a lower, wider, and more planted stance. The M-specific front bumper features larger air intakes that not only look dramatic but also serve a functional purpose by improving airflow and cooling. The iconic kidney grille is more assertive than ever, with a darker finish that complements the sporty character of the M package. Slim, adaptive LED headlights sit perfectly alongside the grille, giving the car a focused, almost predatory look, especially at night. From the side, the M package adds unique alloy wheels, typically larger and more performance-oriented, filling the wheel arches beautifully. The sculpted side skirts enhance the car's aerodynamic profile while visually lowering the body. Subtle M badges remind you that this 5 Series has performance DNA woven into its design. Around the back, the M Sport rear bumper, diffuser-style elements, and dual exhaust outlets complete the look, ensuring the car looks just as thrilling driving away as it does approaching you. Step inside the 2026 BMW 5 Series M package, and you're greeted by an interior that seamlessly blends luxury with motorsport inspiration. The cabin feels modern, premium, and driver-focused. High-quality materials dominate every surface, from soft-touch leather to brushed aluminum and carbon fiber style trim exclusive to the M package. The M Sport seats are a highlight, offering exceptional bolstering to hold you firmly in place during spirited driving, while still remaining comfortable enough for long journeys. They often feature contrast stitching and embossed M logos, reinforcing the performance theme. The steering wheel is another standout feature. Wrapped in premium leather, with a thicker rim and M branding, it feels perfectly weighted in your hands. Paddle shifters sit just behind the wheel, inviting you to take control of gear changes whenever the mood strikes. Ambient lighting flows through the cabin, customizable in multiple colors, allowing you to tailor the interior atmosphere to match your drive, whether it's calm and relaxed or sporty and intense. Technology plays a huge role in the 2026 BMW 5 Series M package experience. The curved display setup, combining a digital instrument cluster and a large central infotainment screen, is sleek and intuitive. BMW's latest iDrive system ensures smooth performance, crisp graphics, and easy access to navigation, media, and vehicle settings. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, making smartphone integration effortless. Voice control has been improved, allowing natural commands to adjust climate, navigation, or even driving modes without taking your hands off the wheel. Under the hood, the 2026 BMW 5 Series M package doesn't disappoint. While the M package itself focuses on performance styling and chassis upgrades rather than being a full M car, it is paired with a range of powerful and refined engines. Depending on the variant, you can expect turbocharged 4-cylinder and 6-cylinder options, with mild hybrid technology improving efficiency and responsiveness. Power delivery is smooth yet urgent, providing strong acceleration that feels effortless in everyday driving and thrilling when you push harder. The M package also enhances the driving dynamics significantly. A sport-tuned suspension lowers the ride height slightly, reducing body roll and improving cornering stability. The steering is sharper and more direct, giving you better feedback from the road. Larger M Sport brakes provide confident stopping power, ensuring the car feels just as capable slowing down as it does speeding up. Selectable driving modes allow you to switch between comfort, sport, and more aggressive settings, adjusting throttle response, steering weight, and suspension behavior to suit your mood or driving conditions. On the road, the 2026 BMW 5 Series M package feels incredibly balanced. In comfort mode, it glides smoothly over rough surfaces, making it an excellent choice for daily commuting or long highway trips. Switch to sport mode, and the car's character changes instantly. The engine becomes more responsive, the steering tightens, and the suspension firms up, transforming the 5 Series into a confident and engaging sports sedan. This dual personality is what makes the M package so appealing. It delivers excitement without compromising everyday usability. Safety and driver assistance features are another area where the 2026 BMW 5 Series M package excels. BMW has equipped the car with an extensive suite of advanced systems designed to keep you and your passengers protected. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking work seamlessly in the background. Parking is made easier with surround view cameras, parking sensors, and automated parking assistance, which can handle tight spaces with impressive precision. Comfort hasn't been overlooked either. Despite its sporty enhancements, the 2026 BMW 5 Series M package remains a true luxury sedan at heart. Dual-zone or even 4-zone climate control ensures everyone stays comfortable, while premium sound systems deliver crystal-clear audio for music lovers. Rear seat passengers enjoy generous legroom and headroom, making this car suitable for both family use and executive travel. The trunk offers ample cargo space, proving that performance and practicality can coexist. What truly sets the 2026 BMW 5 Series M package apart is how it makes you feel as a driver. There's a sense of confidence and control behind the wheel, a feeling that the car is always ready to respond to your inputs. It encourages you to enjoy driving, whether that means carving through winding roads or simply appreciating a smooth, refined ride through the city. The M package doesn't scream for attention. Instead, it delivers a refined aggression that appeals to those who appreciate subtle performance cues. In a segment filled with strong competitors, the 2026 BMW 5 Series M package stands out by offering a near-perfect blend of style, performance, technology, and luxury. It's not about extreme track-focused performance, but about enhancing the everyday driving experience in a way that feels special every single time you get behind the wheel. For drivers who want their executive sedan to look sharper, feel sportier, and drive with more passion, the 2026 BMW 5 Series M package delivers on every level. This is a car that respects BMW's legendary driving heritage while embracing modern innovation. It proves that you don't need a full-blown M car to enjoy the thrill of performance-inspired driving. The 2026 BMW 5 Series M package is for those who want sophistication with an edge, comfort with confidence, and luxury infused with genuine driving pleasure. Auto Trends welcomes this evolution, because this is exactly how a modern sports sedan should feel.